Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products to help you make informed decisions. Today, we have a special feature for all the coffee lovers out there, introducing what we believe to be the best 3-cup coffee maker. Whether you're a busy professional, a college student, or just someone who enjoys a quick cup of coffee in the morning, this is the coffee maker you'll want to consider. The Elite Gourmet EHC4128 automatic 4-cup brew and drip coffee maker is perfect for those looking for a compact, reliable, and easy-to-use coffee machine. It's designed with simplicity in mind, making it ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or even your office space. It fits perfectly in tight spaces while still delivering the perfect brew every time. Let's take a closer look at some of the standout features of this coffee maker. First up is the semi-transparent water reservoir. It has a capacity of up to 4 cups, which is ideal for a small group or even just one person. The built-in water level indicator makes it easy to keep track of how much water is left and ensures you're always ready for the next brew. No more guessing if you need to fill it up. The Elite Gourmet coffee maker also features a 4-cup glass carafe, which gives you just the right amount of coffee without any waste. This carafe is easy to handle, and its design keeps the coffee at the perfect temperature, so you can enjoy it at your own pace. One of the coolest features of this coffee maker is the pause and serve function. If you can't wait for the brewing process to finish, you can pause it and pour yourself a quick cup of fresh coffee right in the middle of the brewing cycle. Whether you're running late or just need that caffeine fix ASAP, this feature is a real-time saver. Another bonus is the keep warm function. After your coffee is brewed, this automatic feature kicks in and keeps your coffee hot and fresh for up to an hour, ensuring you never have to drink cold coffee again. The reusable filter is another highlight. Not only does it save you money in the long run, but it's also better for the environment since you won't need to buy disposable paper filters. Plus, it's incredibly easy to clean, so you can keep your coffee maker in top shape with minimal effort. For those who love their coffee with just the right flavor, the 650-watt brewing power of the Elite Gourmet coffee maker ensures that you get a rich, full-bodied cup every time. The machine runs on a 120-volt voltage, making it compatible with standard outlets, and it's equipped with an on-off switch for convenience. In conclusion, the Elite Gourmet EHC4128 automatic 4-cup brew and drip coffee maker is a fantastic choice for anyone who enjoys a small yet efficient coffee maker that's packed with great features. From the easy-to-use controls to the efficient brewing system, it's designed to make your coffee experience hassle-free and enjoyable. Whether you're in need of a quick cup or brewing enough to share, this coffee maker has you covered. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the latest and greatest products. Happy brewing!